What's up, guys? It's Fitz here with Greensboro iPhone Repair. Today we're going to go over how to reset an iPad when you don't know the password to it. You will need to know the iCloud information to get into it afterwards, but yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go open up iTunes on our Windows computer. We're going to plug in our iPad to the computer. Make sure the iPad's turned on, charged up. And we are going to hold down this is different for every model to get into DFU mode. But for the A1474, we're going to hold down the home and the power button until it goes black, and then we're going to let go of the power button once it goes black and keep holding the home button, and it'll put it in a DFU mode. And I heard it on my computer, and iTunes brings it up. I can let go of the home button now. And now I'm going to take you over to my computer to show you what we're going to do from there. Alright, so here in iTunes, you notice it'll say iTunes has detected an iPad in DFU mode. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit Restore iPad. And it's going to ask if you want to restore and update. You hit Restore and Update. And because I already had the firmware downloaded, it is going to extract software and go ahead and restore this iPad. If you don't, it's going to download the software. You'll see it over here in the corner. And you'll be able to get the iPad functioning again. As we can see, the iPad is restoring. You'll know when it's verifying. I was having an issue before because my iTunes wasn't updated to the latest firmware. But I updated iTunes and now it is working great. So I'll update when it's all restored. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got the iPad fully restored to normal, and we can go ahead and activate it and get it set up. Thank you guys for watching. If you don't mind, hit that like button.